Alright, now I'm live on YouTube. So I was live on Twitch for a second, but then I thought to myself, no one's watching anyway. And but on YouTube it will get saved. It will get saved on as a video, so I can look back on it later when the site is super successful, and everybody can look at how much I coded, and I can feel good about myself. So we are currently having an error, but that's not really an error, because we're making an option, because we're making little options, the options items to get displayed when I'm searching for something and it's not there. I can create it. I don't know if people go randomly stumble upon my stream, and if so, you can ask any question you want, and if I see it, I will answer it. Green. Okay, we have tasks, we have difficulties. Okay, now we have search player, create goal. Those are the options. The next is create difficulty. It's also make options. I don't know if it's create difficulty. That sounds a little silly. Report a new difficulty. That sounds better. That does sound better. Icon difficulty.png. I mean, but the on click I also still call create difficulty because that's just for me. And I guess I make it I make it gray. Difficulty is black, but vices are also black. You guys do not know what that means. Report, I mean, I can call it, it doesn't matter. Okay, the next one is create vice. That's all very similar. Create a new vice. Oh, I do not have an icon for vices. The color will be black. I think it might be smoking. I think it might be a smoking symbol. So you guys cannot see that, or only on the smoking images. Is it black? Do I make it black? Yeah, let's make it black. Yeah. So I'm gonna save iconvice.png. I'm gonna save that. Then I'm gonna open Photoshop. It's open now, and now I'm gonna select all the white stuff to delete the white stuff so it's transparent, and it's already scaled. And then I have my vice icon. Create new vice, and the image is icons, iconvice.png, create vice, and the color is black. Okay, then we have the last option, that is create leisure. Here, make option, create a new leisure activity, but it's fine. It's fine. Doesn't people know what that will mean? People will get it. Icon. Oh, I also do not have an icon for leisure. So I do what's a good leisure. Let's see what Google image search says. Oh yeah, it's like a holiday thing. Icon relax, maybe relaxing. No, that's meditation. That I get like a meditation thing. That's not a bad icon, I guess. I'm just looking at stuff here you guys cannot see. So, oh yeah, that's a good one. I'm just steal. Oh, maybe this one. Oh, this would be yellow. Can leisure be yellow? Yeah, that's not bad because it's kind of golden. Yeah, let's take this one. It's just umbrella, like a sun umbrella with a yellow background. Icon. I mean, can always change it. I mean, should this get some traction, which I think it will. It will. I will need to pay for those icons anyway and get like different ones that are paid for or legally gotten. But for now, I mean, I don't have any money, and why should I worry about that and not just get some random icons from the internet? Because no one has looked at the site, which is not even really a site yet. Okay, so that's no error. Look something up. It's very minimalistic. As you can see it a little bit in the top right. Not much to see, but I like it. I kind of like it. I mean, it's not great, but I'm not a professional anything really. Icons, icon leisure.png, and we call it create leisure, and we make it gold. Okay. So, all right. So now we have the options object. Okay, so if all selected, and we don't have any stuff, it should send all those things. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that works. We already set displayed options. Okay, so it's it's a state variable, persistent. Set display options. I guess I made it a little more complicated. How did I call the object? Options object. Create goal. Oh no, I have to put it in. Oh wait, no. That works, right? Yeah, this does work, right? Yeah, it returns. Okay. Let's make it shorter. Let's just call it OO. So I can go OO. What's the second one? Create task. Because when I look for and none is found, all options should be visible. Search player. Maybe I do that at last because everything else is create. Yeah, create. OO create leisure. Let's do this one next. OO create vice. Then and then we make OO create difficulty, and then we have OO search player at last. So if those options should be visible. And okay, I can already do if found stuff is not null, then I don't want any options to show. I think I do think then. Not sure if that's yeah. If not null, else set displayed options empty array, so no options get shown. So let's make it all okay, and so that's silly. Oh, I can rename those to what those options are, to like goals. I don't have to. Yeah, yeah. Goals create tasks. You guys will see in a second what I mean while I'm stammering here, because I can just difficulties. What was vices and leisures? Leisures. I guess there's leisures. Yeah, there's the plural. Why not? That's I'm bending the English language, but I am German, so I'm allowed to do that. Okay, this is fun, you guys. Okay, so yeah, that makes it easier. If selected all, then everything should get displayed, and if not, then I can just go else, and then I go set displayed options. It's an array of the object, and then selected cat. Yep, this does work. This does work. Now, I think this is fine for now. I mean, I will have to do lots of other stuff, actually looking up things in the database to populate the found stuff, which will turn into boxes. That's a whole lot to do, but I like the layout, the concept of the site. Everybody who will watch this will probably think it's fucking retarded, but this is all I can do. I can just what am I saying? I'm looking at if anyone has joined the stream, but 0 viewers. I wonder if I will get okay, you know what? I'm gonna look for it. My channel. Yeah, I'm live. Saying I'm looking at if anyone has joined the stream, but 0 viewers. I wonder if people can make comments. Yeah, right. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna. Okay, whatever, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna post the stream in my Discord, and then I will continue. So okay, because it's basically for me. Okay, so we're not there yet, but we did make the things to. It should send when I type something here. It should send send the options to the displayed options variable. So what if I go below that? It should display the basic options, but for now let's just, yeah, I already have like basic options, but now let's implement the actual options. So here I'm in the displayed options div. Everything is div with me. That's definitely not good practice, but that's just how I do it. I don't name it like header and body, and those are terrible examples. Like H1, it's just everything is div. That's how I taught myself how it works. Like I just know it's div, and then I give it a class, and everything is flex anyway. And that's how I taught myself. So none of that is really best practice. So now I'm stuttering because it is pretty complicated actually to implement that. Okay, not really. Okay, I map the options that are set here onto my option item. That's the option item. First, let's see. I can quickly see if that works. Like if blah blah blah. Display options map option, and then we make it the option item. And I destructured it, so I copy that. I could have given it just the whole object, but who cares? On name o.image oh, I call that on-click, but that's wrong. I shouldn't call that on-click. But because I should call that function on option clicked func ID. Yeah, func ID. I mean, that's not pretty either, but so when I click on it, because yeah, on click is always on option clicked, that's always this one. And when I'm in the option item, when I click on it, it should send the func that ID, and then I can just pass through the func ID. If func ID is that, then it should do that and that. Right? Color o.color and a key. I always need a key. Key o.name. That's a unique key. That's unique enough. Undefined name. Wait, what? Wait. Names undefined? Can I read property o undefined? Why is it undefined? Okay, first of all, let's go to the helper funcs and change onClick. Rename to func. That's func. Yeah, yes. Okay, now I get the error. Now I get the error that cannot read property of undefined. The displayed options. Why? Displayed options. Okay, if I okay, aha, okay, it's as soon, doesn't this work? Okay, as soon as the things get populated, where do I have to go? I have to go here. Oh wait, did I? Huh. That's an object. Okay, before let's. Okay, let's go. Const. Menu array. Let's do this and then console log menu array. Let's see what that looks like if I made a mistake. Oh yes, because create goal, yeah, because I changed. That's good. That's at least I got the error now. All those are wrong because this is goals. This is tasks. This is leisures. Vices. Difficulties. And the other, was it players? Yeah, that's players. Okay. Now I still get an error. Nope. I don't know if you can see it when it's very short. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay, create menu. So fix. Those are my menu things. That does work when I enter it. And I also want I want them removed when I want those are the basic options. Yeah. Okay, so what do I want? Look up. So I want the basic options displayed when what? When do I want that? Okay, I type it in. I start on the site. I have the basic options displayed at the beginning. I don't have any boxes. When I have boxes open, I don't want any options to appear. Yes, I do not want any options to appear when boxes when boxes are displayed. I just want no options when the boxes are displayed. So not only there, right guys. Oh wait, maybe most recent, maybe like the most recent items I still want, like the most used boxes. Boxes are for the activities that I can drag and drop to most recent. No, that doesn't work. Okay, but for now I think I can, if current stuff length is not over 3, else set displayed options basic option. That's already an array, right? Yes. Yeah, okay. So I get all the options when I haven't looked something up, and when no boxes are found in the database, no activities or goals or players, then I get the options to create what I typed in. Yeah, yeah, that's actually not bad. I kind of like that. Now let's drink some Coke. I'm not making the fastest coding progress, but I have to think things through while I create them, so it doesn't look like complete shit. Only a little shit, and that's fine. Fun is when I have to do the same fucking thing for Android Studio for the app, which is basically more important. Uh, Basically, that will be more important. So I give me like 2 weeks for this site to be progress enough to have all the basic. I don't know if 2 weeks is enough. But after 2 weeks, whatever I have, I will then switch to Android Studio and implement what I have there in Android Studio, which will be fucking harder because I haven't coded in Android Studio for 1.5 years, I think, and I mean, now it's closed because my PC crashed. I already opened it and I already started the project. So as you can see, I already have my live data. I remembered I have fragments, I have the nav graph. I don't have much. I have my classes, which now that I worked with JavaScript on all the projects that didn't work out, I kind of love. I just like it more to not having to, like, what is it, type safety, not no classes. Everything is just an object. It's just so much faster and easier for my brain. But this, yeah, it has to be data classes now in Android Studio. And let's keep making that cigarette while I'm rambling. And yeah, it will be data classes, and then I have to get all the data from the Firestore database, and then I have to make all the functions, which I cannot just do what I do there. I have to like make an option class and so forth. Yeah, and I forgot like most of the syntax, to be honest. Like this was my that was my last project that I did with Android Studio, and looking at it, I freaking forgot like 80 to 90% of it. Like looking at it, it looks like Chinese to me. I hope it will get back to me once I'm fully engulfed in Kotlin and Android Studio, and I'm back. So it comes back to me, and I won't have to relearn everything. I already have to, when I started this, because I thought I'd do it side by side, which I now think was not the best idea. Maybe it was, maybe it didn't matter. I had to look up how to fragments, how the dependencies work again, how the navigation works again. This was, I mean, that's everything I did. Like everything I did, I had to look up again. And yeah, everything will be a pain. Like getting the login, getting, whatever. Let's keep coding. Let's stop reminiscing. So, which is good. The good thing is the menu here. I have the 6 menus. So now I have to style them. What do I want? I want them as wide as my. I think it's 50%. Class name, let's make it a row. Style width, I think it's 50%. Border just for now 1 pixel solid black. Yes, it's almost 50%. Let's make it 49%. No, 49.9. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. Justify content. What do I want? First of all, I don't need create menu. That's not true. So we have a div row with that kind of width. That's fine. So we have. What do we do? Let's first make it 2 pixels solid, 2 pixels solid color. Now we have different. I think that's what the color will be, just the border. I will probably look like crap. My stuff rarely looks good. Okay, let's give it a height of, I don't know, 30 pixels. Let's try that. Okay, now we have. No, that does not look good. Jesus. That does not look good at all. Do we give it a margin? Okay, now I have just 4 pixels. No, I cannot. What do I? Okay. Should I make it gray? Should I make a border radius? Maybe a little bit. Border radius 0.1 rem. 0.1 rem. That's not a lot. Oh, that's almost nothing. Oh yeah, that maybe looks a little slicker. So in the middle. I mean, I could try background color, but this will be way too colorful. Background color. Yeah. No. I'm not good at designing, but I know that this would look like dog shit. Okay, so we have. What do we have? We want the image. Maybe we just make it 25% the option. And then justify content space around. Space between, I guess. space between, and then we have the div with the name. Style, okay, font family, I think it is, and it is robot. It is font family, right? Roboto bold. Yes, that does work. Does that look that terrible? Does it look that terrible? Font size 20 pixel. It doesn't. Maybe it doesn't even look that terrible. When I add the image to it, yeah, why not? And when I hover over it, I can give it a nice hue. Yeah. IMG, I got a class name for that. Icon 25 source image. Huh. Doesn't look, you know what? Doesn't look half bad. That doesn't even look half bad. Let's give it a little margin. That's better than I thought. I can, yeah. Yeah. That's not terrible. Yes. Now I'm looking. Okay, first I can do the hover thing that when I hover over it, it changes the background color. Oh, then I can use the color actually. It's not complete waste of a variable. I should. This is hover. I keep repeating. I know I can just make an object for it. You know what? Maybe I can make it. Use hover. You know what? Let's do it. Because that's like the third time I'm doing this. Hooks. But I will. Wait, what? What's going on? Oh no. Oh, I'm. Changes. Let's commit it. Things that change it, and I'm going to put it. So I'm back. Yeah. Oh, I wanted to do a use hook. Hooks. Use hover. I think that's how it works. Okay, I return an object on mouse enter, right? And this is this, set hover true. And on mouse leave, that's another callback function. I don't think I need the curly braces there. Set hover false. That thing, and then I also give out the hover object. Oh, you know what? Let's make it. It's called them diff props. Yeah, right? Okay, and const hover, use hover. Hover, diff props, use state is not defined. And color, background color, hover dot hover, question mark, color, null. Oh, and it fucking works. That's not. Only the black one is not good, because because it's the text is black. Then you cannot see anything. So I have to make it specifically white then, which I will just do. Color. Color equals black and hover dot hover white null. Yeah, and this does work. Okay, that makes me feel like I'm not that shitty after all in Grasp encoding. Yeah, still this works. Now let's just enjoy that for a second. Oh, cursor pointer. Cursor pointer. So, yeah, that's good. It's really not bad. Let's just for looking when I have boxes displayed. Okay, now when I have what sorry, yeah, just checking when I have boxes displayed how this will look like. No, it's just fixing stuff, main store, displayed boxes. 9 boxes. How will this look like that? I mean, that's fine, right? Yeah, that's actually not. Yeah, that's actually fine. Oh, I should also, when it's not should have a min width, and probably almost the regular width. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Display boxes. Okay. When I make the display smaller, where am I? I'm in options, displayed options. No, option item. Because the width I have it in percentage. Can I do min width 25%? Does this work? No, that doesn't make sense because it just gets. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Let's check it in pixels. I don't know how much. No, that's not. What is the actual width? Wait. Am I? Okay. Okay, it's not. Okay, it's 350. Let's just leave it there. I could just give it a width of 350 then. Report a new search for another player. I mean, the options names won't get longer than search for another player, report a new difficulty. Yeah, so I can leave it at that length, and then I don't need to resize the actual the font size for resizing. Yeah, that could stay. Yeah, all right, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, let's move on. Now it's about actually creating a goal. So this will be a whole fucking to do. What I want to do is, okay, first I need a whole new area. When I click on, okay, first of all, let's see if, oh no, I forgot the on click. That's on click and func. That's important because on click we do the on click function that I passed, and I pass it the func ID. Let's see if that works. Console log func ID. Yep, create vice, create leisure, create task, create goal. So now Okay, what do I do? Um, this I have to think now because um, a new site gets opened. Not a new site, but the search bar will disappear, and the menu will disappear, and what will appear is um, a create element where I type in. Oh, this will be. That won't be easy. That's a whole section of. Okay, let's give it a folder. Create. Let's call the element create stuff maybe. Just create. Okay, I don't know if I want to make a create store or just use the main store. I mean, I use the main store for most things anyway. Okay, let's make it more easy here. I can just set make a variable in the store for creation create and then the type like an object for with the name which I already started to type in. And oh, this is fucking not easy. Oh. Okay, but this is a good start. Create. Let's call it activity. I mean, end goal, but create. Let's just call it create. I guess null. Okay, so when create is not null, I want the create element to be shown and the rest to be hidden. Okay. I know there's a shorter version for it than what I'm typing in here with the set state and the return. I know, but I forgot. Create, return, create. Is there one thing too many? Yes. Wait, what? Return. This, no, what? Wait, what? Create is thing, set state return create one. There we go. I think I hear a mouse. Yeah. Okay. So I have this set create. Yeah, that makes this one easier. Because then I just here on option clicked. Func object. Or create I'm not sure. Wait, what am I doing? I have to think. Function create stuff type. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, create goal, and then we do create stuff goal. I'm not sure if this works. Console log type. Okay, click on option func object, func ID. Wait, what? Expected an assignment call. Wait, does this work? Does this work? It's not a function. Okay, what if we make it like this? Is this a function now? Yes. No, wait. Oh, wait. Maybe. Because only this is a function. Type. Or it does work. No, it tells me none. No, type goal. Okay, wait. But I think functionally create goal. Okay, this actually works. Create goal. Okay. Create task. Create leisure, right? Leisure. Oh, I have to give it a comma. Create vice. Not sure. That also seems like pretty like I repeat myself. Wait, maybe that's. Yeah, but whatever, right? I mean, yeah, that's fine. Vice. Because it's differently named. Because I give it the func ID. If I wouldn't give it a func ID, just goal task leisure, I could just give it create stuff func ID. But I didn't do that, so now I have to do some typing. Create difficulty. I think I called it create difficulty, right? Create stuff difficulty, and then that's 5. I have 6 options. Search player, I guess, and this does nothing. Type goal, type task, leisure, vice, difficulty, and this does nothing. Perfect. Okay, I can't believe this worked. but it did. Mm. Okay, now I have to access the search thing because it's not that important, but it's a little cosmetic thing that when that's the first argument of the description of the activity. This is why, what is it? Search input, current search. Like access current search from the lookup store, and then oh yeah, from the main store I need set create. Set create, and I create an object with let's call it description. Yeah, description, because the current search will be what the description is. Um, Maybe. I guess, right? I don't know. Um, hmm. Description. Yeah, let's just go with that for now. And the type is just, I don't have to, cannot find lookup store. Yeah, because it's small. Render more hooks than the previous. That's just a bug. That's not really a bug. Just have to refresh the browser. Has anyone, let's see, has anyone watched my stream so far? No, nobody. And it's been 1 hour. I wonder if I will ever get a comment. But that's just for me, I guess. But it's fine. It's actually, it helps me. Okay, let's relax for a minute. I have a headache. Sign into chat, open web browser. Just for a second, let me. Wird nicht mehr angezeigt. I want to. Hi myself. You are doing a great job coding. I'm proud of you. Great, alright. Yes, and I can see myself chatting with myself. Sign into our assistant. I guess I cannot. Then come before inside Streamlabs. You can open this chat in web browser. Ah, interesting. Interesting. It didn't get permission from YouTube to chat inside Streamlabs. But that's alright. Okay. Okay, I'm making progress. I am making progress. So I'm creating a new goal. Type goal. I don't need this anymore. Set create. Create. Const create ist gleich main store. I definitely need that. Now I go in app. Then I have this whole thing here. Show enter details. That's the thing that Maybe that whole thing I don't need. Uh, Okay, let's do this. Create and okay, I need to get create from the main store. Wait, what? Create, that's just one div. Oh no, that was one too many. I have to do it here. Yeah, and then it disappears. And then I want create and create to appear. Okay, what? But this is. Oh, it appears here. Margin top 15%. Yeah, that's 15%, I guess. Margin left. Okay, now I'm creating. Okay. Let's give it a border. What to... Oh, this will be fucking... Border, just so I can see the dimensions. Okay. What if I give it a width of 100%? How far out does this... Yeah, till the... Does it make it a width of 90%? Let's give it 60. Yes. And let's give it a height. Of 80%. That would be how much I have. I mean, that's fine actually. Yeah. Okay. Let's work in those borders. And I can also give it as a margin for top. I can change this margin here. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's a good width for my create application, for my create element. And this works with resizing. Semi good. I mean, it kind of works, right? Doesn't have to. That's fine. Yeah, that's good enough, I think. Right? I mean, it's my own fault that I made so many elements absolute so they can overlaps, which I never did before. I can change my focus on um, adding the option to create stuff. Okay, let's make another cigarette and keep thinking. Okay, so when I create okay, first I want Jesus Christ. Okay, what are the things I need for? I need inputs and a description, and I need a header. Okay, the header is the easiest part. Maybe I make it the background slightly gray. Just slightly, very, very slightly gray. So and then I have create inputs and then images, the description short, description long, and then key points to description type in and then I make overflow auto. Yes, I guess, right? And then at the end, when everything is filled out, this will be a lot, but okay. Create. I have this. Okay, make the background color. Let's go in Photoshop and pick like a very slight background color. Background color. No, that's too much already. First of all, let's go get rid of the border. Let's make it, give it a little border radius so it doesn't look so clumpy. I don't know if that's enough. .rem. Let's make it .5. Okay, let's remove this create. Definitely display flags. Class name definitely div column. What justify content center. Okay, now I will Okay, I can do this element. I don't need a new file for it. Cons creation header. Let's deconstruct. It needs a type. Okay, return a diff in a row, and I want, what do I want? First, I think white is 2. Creation header. Sorry, I need to check in the displayed options. It's small. Which is good because I can do an image, class name icon25, source to icon slash type.png, and I need a capitalize function. I think I might have capitalize. Maybe there's a built-in function for that. Capitalize first letter to uppercase. Wait, what? So I'm reading. React capitalize function. Is there not too low? Okay. Is there too uppercase? Too uppercase. I mean, we'll see. I'm not sure. Reading cannot read undefined to uppercase. Oh, because I didn't type create.type. Goal. Create goal. To uppercase just makes everything uppercase. Okay, justify content. Center. Yeah, no. That's better. Create goal. Yeah, that's fine. Why? Wait. Yeah, okay. That's fine. Create goal. It doesn't even look too bad, once again. And we could even give this 1 RAM. Yeah. Okay. Does this look good enough? Can you see it in the little thing? It doesn't look too good. I mean, create goal. I mean, it's fine, right? Okay. Now, I have the header. And then I make a div. Class name div column. Style with 100% of the parent. Just border 1 pixel solid black. The overflow auto. Okay, that's good. Because, oh no, I could do a margin top. 10 pixels, yes, let's start there. Okay, now here I want the create options. Okay. Create inputs for. What do I need? Text drop down. Text and drop down. For goal. Let's make it goal. I think, right? Pooh. Fuck. Okay, first, inputs goal. Okay, it's an array. First is name short description. Short description. Field short description. Field is short description. Type drop down null. Multi drop down false. Pooh. Hint. Type of short basic description for your goal so people can find for yourself the people that look for that serve as its name. Okay, that's the first field. Hint drop down null types input and drop down oh fuck, that's not fucking easy. It's not fucking easy. But okay. Create creation input, and then I call that creation input. Name field types drop down hint. Oh yeah, field. Short description. Okay. I had to go to the toilet. Um, Input length. Type text. Input length. I don't know how long. Let's make it 100, I guess. Okay. Input goal. Let's make a helper func for that. Function make create input, whatever. Name field types. Field types. Name field types drop down. Hint. Input type. Input length. That doesn't do much, but name field types drop down hint, but it saves me a little bit. I don't have to type those characters every time I do a new input, and I will probably do a lot for all the different leisure and difficulty and activity. Whew. And I also have to do if I found something with the same ID, I have to check. I have to always check. Okay, this is, like I said, that's a lot, but I'm making progress. That's important. Create input, right? Create input. Short description. Now I have to make a double, but just for just this one time, and then it's a little bit shorter in the future for all the other stuff. Input null. I copy and paste that, or I cut and paste, doesn't matter. Text and 100, and then I can remove that. And I have an input, and then I make a new element. I call it creation input. That sounds fucking fantastic. And I destructure that. And then I go from there. I make the first one, and then I make the second one. I see what I need, and then I work from there. Const new object, set new object, use state null for now. I keep that in mind. Creation input. I can just copy and paste those things here and paste them here. That's perfect. And then with this in this div, it depends on I guess I make a new file and call that inputs.js, because I will need a long list for all the inputs. Export inputs go, so it doesn't, so this file doesn't get overcrowded. So create.type equals goal and inputs goal map input, and then I make creation input. What a beautiful name. Key i.description, and then I copy those once again. It's not as clean as when destructuring, but I can just name e.name field e.field types e.types drop down e.dropdown hint e.hint input type e.input type input length input length. Create input is not defined. Line 2 in inputs. Create input is not defined. Oh, because I didn't import it here. Okay, now I have my first input, and set new object is also important. I think. Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Is set new object is the right thing. Okay, now I have in theory, and it displays here just this. Now let's style the first input. First, let's make it a width of 50%. Style width 50%. Why not? Justify content center. Here we go with the name, short description. Class name text black, because this is robot irregular. Text bold. Yeah, style. First of all, why isn't that in the middle? Margin just here, because I need to justify content center. No, oh no, no, that's not right. Div column, and then creation input. Class name. Div column. Yeah, now it's in the middle. And I can already I can remove this border. Okay, I always. Okay, what do I want? Font size. 18 pixel maybe? No, maybe 20 pixel. Background color. Can this be white? No, white doesn't make sense. Do I want it to be darker? Oh, first of all, I want this background color to be... no, I want it to be maybe a little bit dark. I don't know how things look good. Let's try it a little bit darker. Oh, all C's. Background color, all C's. Yeah, I guess. And then make this color really dark. We make this even 25 pixels. Short description. Yeah, that's fine. Padding 10 pixels. Border radius 0.5 rem, 0.5 rem. I mean, yes, right? Okay, now we have the short description. Okay. Oh, we also want on enter to go to the next ref. Or how the fuck do we add refs programmatically? Okay. First, let's make it white, maybe? I don't know. Okay. Hint. Type of short is... Let's make it 50. Oh, it doesn't... Let's make that a little bit... Wait, can I do this? Can I make this white? No, that doesn't look good, right? No. But can I make that a little bit lighter once again? Just a tilde lighter. Yeah. Make it font style italic. Yeah. Doesn't look too bad. So that can also be like this. And then if okay, and then if oh no, types includes input Fragezeichen input. Wait, types does include input. types. Inputs? Input. Why doesn't it? Oh, because not Frage und. Yeah, okay. That doesn't look too bad. Height. Three E. No, that's way too. That's way too fucking dark. Let's make it E3. That is a fucking coincidence that I used a color picker for that. Oh yeah. Damn, that looks almost good. What I'm doing here. That looks almost good. Let's see if anyone has joined my streams just yet. Nope. It's still just me, and I'm live almost 2 hours. Yeah. Let's continue. Width 100% is way too much. Input length. Bigger als 50 Grad. Input length größer als 10 Fragezeichen. 50%. 10%. Text align center. Short description. Font size. Yes, this works, doesn't it? Okay. Okay, new object. Okay, I also need new object input. Oh. Okay, now I have to make a new file because const goal short description. Okay. Now I make this for create. Set const type objects. Goal Doppelpunkt goal. Set new object type objects create dot type. Right? Uh, okay. Look up description. Description. Okay. Create type goal. Okay, first of all, okay, this does work. Input goals map. Wait, what? Each child should have a unique key. Does have a unique key. Creation input. Okay. Now I have to give that a value. And the value
Okay, sorry, I'm very quiet right now. I have different things I'm thinking about. This is really not easy. This is really not easy. Now I'm thinking about the rest already with the input when I hit enter that it adds the next ref, but I have too many tabs open. First, I'm doing too much. I have too many things I'm thinking about at once at different areas. I have to focus, and this is why the input I start with this. The value is the new object and field on change. And then with the onChange method, I need the e object, of the event object. Set new object, and new object field is eTarget.value. Yeah, let's text on number. Um, React regex only numbers. Type input type. Okay. So we have the value, we have the unchanged. We make and then we just add the creation header. We make a new object. New object. We just so we can console log the new object if everything works. We just make an on click. Console log new object. New object. Okay. Create first goal. Cannot read property of undefined new. Reading short descriptions. Okay, that already. I get an error message, as you can see. I get an error message, and I have to. Okay, new object, create. Because this may be new object. I haven't set it up here. Create first goal. Oh, did this really work? Create first goal. Okay, that's good. But it says I need a key. Input goals key, but I have used one. Each child should have a unique key prop, but this does have a unique key. I don't know what it's complaining about. Const refs set refs use state. Okay, let's try. Okay, create goal, short description, new object, short description, create first goal. Oh. Phew. Okay, this is exhausting. But at least once I have this, I have it. I can add goals. Everybody can add goals to the site, and people can look for goals, and then they can display what goals they are currently. Yeah, that's. I mean, I have. It will take a while. It will take a fucking while. Okay, let's keep going. Do I take a break? I don't think so. 2 hours. How long will I go? 8 hours minimum. Maybe I make a food break. That would be fine. That would be fine. I'm looking for something. I've been looking for freedom. Where did I put it? I'll continue in a second, but here. I've been looking for freedom. I've been looking for long. I've been looking for freedom. I have to take another leak in a second. It's getting light outside, which I like. It's good that it gets lighter outside. Okay. So, it's not.
Okay, creation input const input ref at input ref use ref null. Okay, and the input ref input ref, and here wait a second. I think I can turn out the light because it's getting light outside. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Add input ref and on enter. Add input ref on enter for every input. I have to make two functions here in function add input ref set refs input ref. Oh, but the problem is here. Oh, that's bad. Because I have the inputs. How can I guess I have to have to make a function out of it. Const input goal is equals function on enter. This is I hope this all pays off because this is not
This is getting very... Uh, uh, inputs goal. Return. Why not? Okay, inputs goal. Inputs goal. It does work. Okay. Okay. I mean, I don't know. Check the random message of create. Check create map key. Should have a unique key. Here creation header? What's with the key prop? I do have a key prop. Oh well. Ref index set ref index use state 0. Oh, yeah. This is good work what I'm doing here. On key down, on enter. Yes, okay. Use effect. Input ref. If input ref. Add input ref. Input ref. Yes, it's. I mean, it does work. Okay. Ah, that doesn't work. Okay, now we make the next one is inputs long description. Long I mean I guess short description. We give it, this. We make it diff style position absolute. Oh, I have to talk. When I'm not talking, I am in thoughts. I'm thinking about how I can solve the coding challenges to like effectively that I don't do too much duplicate code and it makes sense. And then I think about how long all of this will take, and then I get demotivated and just sit there, just fantasizing about uh, stuff mandatory. But I think talking keeps me a little bit from that. Mm, okay, now because now I have a position and mandatory. If it's mandatory, mandatory, optional. Top null. Relative. Yeah, very good because that's the next relative thing. And right also 0 and margin right 5 pixels and class name text bold white. Yeah, that's fine. Hmm. No, that's a little color. Mandatory dark blue. Light green. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Now this is mandatory. And the next one is optional. New object input. Create input. Long description. Long description. That's also an input. No drop down. Text 200, I guess 300. Input ref on enter false. Margin top, let's give it a margin of 5 pixels, no, maybe 20 pixels. Okay, mandatory opt. Oh, it's too light. It needs to be darker. Input, creation input, just green, not light green. Mandatory optional, yeah, that's fine. long description. Let's give the input. Ah, um, okay. Description. You can personal description. Uh, no, there should be two refs. Why aren't there two refs? Refs. Why is there? Why isn't there? Why isn't there two? Why isn't there two? Why isn't there? If input ref, use ref null. Ref input ref. Add input ref. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Because it takes too long. Fuck. The problem is that um, it the add input ref gets maybe. Okay, I can try to do it via index, and then I set the timeout, and then it adds. Yeah. Let's try it. Refs. Well, that's input ref. Add input ref.
Okay. Add info. Oh.